Hello, everyone. Welcome to StoryTone English. Today, we will practice English speaking with shadowing. Shadowing is a powerful method to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. I will speak, and you will repeat after me. Let's get started. First, let's warm up with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi there. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again. Great. Now let's practice simple daily sentences. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I have breakfast with my family. I go to work or school. Sometimes I take the bus. Sometimes I walk to enjoy the fresh air. On my way, I listen to English podcasts. This helps me learn new words and expressions. Let's practice polite expressions. Please sit down. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's okay. Now, let's do some conversation practice. What's your name? My name is Lena. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. What do you do? I am a student. Do you like learning English? Yes, I enjoy it a lot. Next, let's practice talking about hobbies. I like reading books. I love listening to music. I enjoy walking in the park. I watch English movies. Sometimes I write a diary in English. All these activities help me improve my English. Now let's practice useful sentences for daily life. I cook breakfast. I clean my room. I check my phone messages. I reply to my friends politely. I go to class on time. I try to stay organized. Let's practice expressing emotions. I am happy today. I feel excited about learning. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep trying. Every mistake helps me grow. I am confident in myself. Now, shadow a short dialogue with me. Hi, how are you today? I'm great, thank you. What are you doing? I'm practicing English speaking. That's wonderful. Keep it up. Thank you. I will. Next, let's practice affirmations to build confidence. I can speak English fluently. I am confident when I talk. I can express myself clearly. My pronunciation sounds natural. I believe in my progress. Every day, my English improves. I am proud of my effort. Now, a few more practical sentences. I go to the market every weekend. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I talk to the shopkeeper politely. I ask questions clearly in English. I practice English in real life too. Let's practice short daily questions. What time is it? Where are you going? Can you help me, please? How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that slowly? I will listen carefully and repeat. Finally, let's finish with motivation and encouragement. You are doing great. Keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. Don't worry about mistakes. Every small effort counts. Thank you for practicing English with me today. See you in the next shadowing lesson. Goodbye.